Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about things to cover in your statement of purpose for LLM abroad. LLM candidates, listen up. Are you ready to embark on a journey to study law abroad? Well, before you pack your bags and book your plane tickets, make sure you have one important thing in order: a killer statement of purpose. Your SOP is your chance to showcase yourself and convince the admission committee that you're the perfect candidate for their LLM program. And to do that, you need to make sure to cover up all the relevant things. But why is it so important, you ask? Because a statement of purpose is like a delicious dish, and every ingredient is important and has a purpose. Just like a good recipe, your SOP should have the right balance of ingredients to make it appealing and tasty. You wouldn't want a dish that is too bland or one that is overloaded with spices, and the same goes for your SOP. You want to make sure that it has the right balance of information and is easy to digest. Showcasing your motivation. The admission committee wants to know why you're really interested in the LLM program and what sparked your passion for the field of law. By showcasing your motivation, you're telling them that you have genuine interest in the program and that you're not just applying because you couldn't find anything else to do. Demonstrating your fit for the program. You need to show the admission committee that you're the right fit for the program. What makes you stand out from the other candidates? What unique qualities do you bring to the table? These are the questions you need to answer in your SOP. Academic background and qualifications. Provide a brief overview of your educational background, including any relevant degrees or certificates that you hold. Highlight any academic achievements such as honors or awards that demonstrate your ability and potential as a graduate student. Your academic achievements, awards, and publications, if any, speak volumes about your qualification. So make sure you highlight them in your SOP and show the admission committee that you are the cream of the crop. Professional experience. Have you worked in a law firm before? Maybe you were a superhero intern, saving one legal brief at a time. Or maybe you were a volunteer hero, lending a hand in the legal aid clinic, making a real difference in people's lives. Or perhaps you were a star player in a moot court competition, arguing your case with passion and precision. No matter what you have been up to, make sure you highlight all the relevant experiences in your statement of purpose. Show the admission committee what you have been up to and what you have learned. It's like giving them a sneak peek in your legal portfolio. They'll get to see your skills, experience, and achievements all in one place. Research interests. Including your area of research in your SOP can make all the difference in the world. By mentioning your specific research interests, you'll be able to show off your focus and passion for the subject. You'll be like a shining star, demonstrating that you have a clear direction and a burning desire to pursue it. Not only will it make you stand out, but also show that you're the good fit for their program. It's like finding the perfect puzzle piece. It just clicks. And let's not forget the context it provides. Your research interest will help the admission committee understand why you have chosen this particular field and what motivates you. It's like adding a tasty sauce to your application, making it even more delicious. Study abroad goals. Mentioning your study abroad goals in your SOP can help demonstrate your motivation, career aspirations, cultural awareness, and personal growth. It can help the admission committee see the bigger picture of why you want to study abroad and how the program will help you achieve your goals. Career aspirations. By mentioning your career aspirations in your SOP, you are giving the admissions committee a sneak peek into your future plans. You are letting them know what you are passionate about and where you see yourself headed. It's like saying, hey, check out my dreams and aspirations, I'm serious about this. Your career aspirations can also give the admissions committee a better understanding of why you're interested in the program. By showing them how your goals align with the program has to offer, you're making it easier for them to see that you're the perfect fit. Language proficiency. If you're applying to a program in a country where the primary language is not English, be sure to mention any language skills you possess that will help you succeed in the program. If you're looking to study abroad, the admission committee wants to make sure that you can communicate effectively in the local language. Make sure you showcase your language skills and show them your language wizard. Extracurricular activities. Extracurricular activities are like the cherry on top. Think about all the amazing things you have done outside the classroom. Maybe you led a student club, helped organize a community event, or even started your own business. Whatever your extracurricular activities are, make sure that you mention them in the SOP. Why? Well, by highlighting your extracurricular activities, you're showing the admission committee your leadership skills and your ability to work well in a team. Wrap it up. When you summarize your SOP, you want to make sure that all the key points you have made throughout your statement are visible and clearly accessible to the admissions committee. By neatly summarizing your motivation, qualifications, and experiences, you're making a visual representation of your suitability for the LLM program. How to ensure you've covered everything? Now that we have covered the why, let us talk about the how. How do you make sure you have covered all the relevant things in your SOP? Firstly, research. Research the LLM program and the university you're applying to. Make sure you understand what they're looking for in a candidate and tailor your SOP accordingly. Second, be concise. Your SOP shouldn't be a novel. Make sure you're concise and to the point. The admission committee has a lot of SOPs to go through, so make sure yours is easy to read and understand. Third, proofread. Make sure you proofread your SOP multiple times. Check for grammatical errors, spelling mistakes, and typos. A well-written SOP can demonstrate your ability to communicate effectively, which is an important skill for success in the field of law. And fourth, be yourself. Your SOP is your chance to showcase who you are. Don't try to be someone you're not. Be yourself and let your personality shine through. So make sure you cover all the relevant details in your SOP if you want to increase your chances to get accepted into the LLM program you're wishing for. Your SOP is your chance to showcase yourself and make your lasting impression on the admission committee. So take your time, do your research, and write an amazing SOP. For more such content, don't forget to visit our website yourlegalcareercoach.com and do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you.